before, once they're off of breast milk. And we've had a lot of actually the doctors I work with, and they've started giving their kids the Amasi because it is one of the closest things that you could find to women's breast milk, because again, it has the healthy fats, it has the protein, has a small amount of those good carbohydrates, and then high in probiotics. And so we've actually had some people rather, infant formulas today are about they are so terrible. Most of them are soy based. They're full of artificial coloring and sweeteners and all this other junk, and they're deficient in good bacteria. And so again, we have a lot of kids starting at, some of them who, if the mother wasn't able to nurse them, really almost right from birth doing the Amasi. So it's pretty incredible, really nutrient dense, and again, kids love the taste.
Let me tell you one other differentiator about how the commitment to integrity and quality is unmatched. In typical dairy production, when a calf is born, and we've been blessed at Beyond Organic Ranch just this year with the birth of over 600 calves. At least that was the number by the time we were there about 5-6 weeks ago. And they continually are birthing calves on the ranch. And the crossbreeding program is making healthier, more robust, vibrant, healthy livestock, really changing the future of dairy and beef production. But in conventional production, when a calf is born, and we saw a video that was heartbreaking, just a piece of it on YouTube, they will separate the calf from the mother cow, primarily because if the calf is left with the mother will dial down her milk production to just enough to feed the calf. But of course, the profit margin is negatively affected when the cows are not producing milk that they're selling, so they remove the calf, they buy this cheap powdered formula from Europe that they mix with water, and they put these calves on this formula, and they keep the mother cows continuing to produce so that they can sell and not affect their negative. So, not affect their profit margin negatively. On Beyond Organic Ranch, literally, now this was just mind-boggling, because I know how expensive it is to produce foods the old world way, the small family farm way. Literally 1/3 of the dairy produced on our 9,000 acres is fed back to the calves over the first several months of its life until it's old enough to begin to open pasture graze and ultra high density graze with the adults, and it's amazing. I wanted to give you just a quick preview. This is some of Dr.